So here's guys another question. So let me just power on my calculator. Yeah. So this thing guys, you can even press from calculator to get the answer. Or sometimes when you press other things on calculator, you might get error. Do you understand? Yeah. So but it's not good for you to just press all this thing and get the final answer, meaning that you won't get the full mark. So if you need the full mark, make sure all the bases are the same. Do you understand? Yeah. So to change these bases, let's say 6 equals shift fact. So there I got 3 times 3, which is 2 times 3. Yeah. 4 multiply by, change the base of this thing, change the base of 4, but the base of 4, if you can change it, it will be 2 to the exponent. Do you see my study? Divide. And 3 you cannot change. You should be aware guys, but that small numbers you cannot change them. Let me just put it like this. Yeah. No need for you to change it. Yeah. So what about 30? Let's try to change 30 and 12. So it's equal to shift fact. Wow. Okay, so this one it give me 2 times 3 times, so here it give me 2 times 3 times 5, and here there is 3. Do you see? So let's change 12 equal to shift fact. So here I got 2 multiplied by 3. Yeah, so let's try to apply our law of exponent. Remember that exponent outside the bracket, multiply each exponent inside the bracket. This thing it become like what? It become like 2 4 multiplied by 3 4. Do you see? And here it will multiply inside, and here there is invisible 1. This thing also become like 2 multiplied by 3, it gives you 6, and 1 multiplied by 3, it gives you 3. Same. So this thing multiply inside there, so it will be like 2 multiplied by 5, it's 10. Do you see? Then say divide. Here this one, we didn't change it. Let me just put it down. So this thing will multiply inside there, and here there is some invisible 1. Do you see? So it means this thing, it will give you 5 3 multiplied by 3 3 multiplied by 2 3. Do you see my study? And now you know that guys, when we divide same base. Okay, let me just try to, before I divide, let me try to figure it out, my numerator and the denominator. So you know that guys, when you multiply here, same base. Do you see same base? You will add the exponent. Do you see? Meaning this thing, it will become like 2 4 plus 6 plus 10. What about 3? Also 3 has the same base, so it's 4 plus 3 divided. Then down here it will be 3 plus 3, and here 2 will be here. It's 2 and 5. It's also between there. Do you see most guys daddy? Yeah. When you multiply same base, we add the exponent. Do you see? So this thing, it will give me what? It will give me 2 multiplied by 3, and here it's 7, and there it's what? I think here it's 9, and same multiplied by 3, exponent 5 multiplied by 2, 3. So this thing, when you press it from calculator, I'm sure you get 20 there. Yeah. So now guys, I have figured it out, all that something which seems to be more complicating there. Then it become like this. Do you see? Yeah. I add the exponent, then become like this. So now I can say, when I divide same base, do you see the same base? When I divide same base, I'll separate the exponent. So I'll just take this thing out from this fraction. And please take note, here we got some invisible 1. And now the moment I separate this fraction will become like 1 over 5 3 multiply by 222. And here it is multiplied by 3 7 over 3 9. Do you see? Meaning this thing, I can also write it like 20 minus 3 and 3 7 minus by 9, and here it's 1 over what? 5, which is now this thing, it become 1 over what? 3, and this thing, it give me 2 17, and this one, it will give me 3 minus 2. Do you see my study? And please be aware guys, okay, Yeah, and please be aware, guys, anything that you multiply to a fraction, it goes upwards. So this thing, it become like what? It will become like 12, oh excuse, it will become 217 multiplied by 3 minus 2 divided by what? By 5 exponent 3. Yeah. And please, guys, be aware that we can change this minus exponent, this one, by taking it down, and the moment it goes down, it become like 217 divided by 5 3 multiplied by what? By 3 exponent 2. And if you can press this thing from calculator, say 2 to the exponent 17, this is the answer that you got, which is so big, 2. And now let me just press all this stuff from calculator. So it's 5 exponent 3 multiplied by 3 exponent 2, which is, this is the final answer that I got. And this thing, it is a fraction, and this fraction you can just try to punch it to check that will you get the simple fraction, say divide by 225. Okay, here I don't get a simple fraction, I just got a decimal. Do you see? Even if I press ST. So guys, this one will be the final answer. I just hope this answer, it correspond with that PDF. Yeah, do you see the way that I go about it? The good thing here is just to understand. Yeah, try to understand all the method that I'm trying to apply here, all the method that I'm trying to apply. All the best, guys.